Hey everyone, I'm back with yet another social video post tutorial, and we'll be creating it in Canva once again. Canva is free and accessible to everyone, so this is the video that we'll be creating. Hi, my name is Mohit from Tenika Creations, and let's get into Canva straight away. Inside Canva, let's click on this button, create a design. Let's click on custom size. Let's go to 1080 and the height also will be 1080 so that we have a square resolution video. So we are inside Canva right now. What I'm going to do first is save this as soil or whatever name you feel fit for your video. Okay, so first of all, I'll just click in the frame here and I'm going to change the color to something of more of a lighter green. Let's reduce the color, something like that. Let it be quite a light color. Okay, so next we'll go to elements, and in elements I'll go to frames and let's search for the square frame. Go to see all. I think it's down here, so let's go to this and click on that, and I'm gonna just drag it on top like so. Press Alt to scale it uniformly, and I think we will place it around there. Okay, that looks good. Now I will close this frames from here and then go to the shapes, and under shapes let's click on the square shape. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll just make sure that it is the same size as this, and then press Alt and scale it slightly more, right, so that it forms the outline. So what I'm going to do now is click on this and go to position and click on backward. Okay, and let's change the color, make it a little bit more, yeah, something like this. That should look good. Maybe a little bit more. This is a little less, I think. Yeah, that should look really good. I think the frame is a little too large for the frame, for the resolution. So let me select both of these, press Alt and scale it down like so. Yeah, that should be good. And I'll just push it up like that. We have always placed the logo on the right side here and putting a logo here. Okay, let me just show you what I mean by that. Let me click on the uploads, click on logo. I have to take it out of the frame. So anyways, let me put it here. See, now this looks really weird. It does not make any sense to have the logo here, one side here and one side here. It looks a little odd. So to solve that and to make this design a little more interesting, what we'll do is we will go to elements. Under elements, let's search for animated blobs. Okay, and you get all of these things. I will choose this one. This looks nice. Okay, so I'll just scale it down and then push it over there like that. Right, okay, and then go to position and click on backward so that, yeah, so I'll maybe rotate it like so. I think that should be good like that. Place it there. Let's scale the logo a little bit and move it here. That is looking good now. Let's also bring something like this on this side. So let's have a look at what we can add here. Let's have a look. I think this should be good. Let's just rotate it so that, okay, like so. Further like that, and then bring it here, scale it up, right? So we have one more blob which is animating here, so that's really nice. That's for the design really. So what I'm going to do is I'll add the text here, So I have the text copied into a notepad, so I'm going to copy that from there. Control C to copy and go to Canva, and inside Canva let's go to the text, add a headline, and there let's paste it. Make the text color to be black, okay, and maybe change the font to something like this, Alice. Yeah, that should be good. So let's reduce the size, let's set it to 60, 50, that should be good, and bring it down like so. And to make sure that this shows up, let's have a background, a square. So let's close this one, go to shapes, and under shapes let's reduce it like so, move it here, scale it up like that, like so. Yeah, that should be good. And this, let's change the color to white. Okay, so this is how it looks. To make it more interesting, let's have a shadow for this, and the way we do that is by pressing Ctrl D to duplicate it and change the color to black, right? And then let's push it back, right, like that. Let's maybe push it like so. Yeah, I think that should be good, so that this blob doesn't come in the way of this one. So that's why we did that. Let's copy all of that, select all of it, shift select and Ctrl D and move it down over here, and let's copy the line from the notepad, and let's go to Canva and select the text and Ctrl V to paste. Let's select the white shape and adjust the shape like so, and then select the black one and move it like that. That should be good. So let's find a suitable video for that text. Let's go to our uploads, and I think it's about soil, so let's click on this one, drag it into a frame and select that and make that 5 seconds long like we always do, like that. Done. And I think that looks really good. So what I'll do now is I'll click and drag the entire frame and copy it, click on add new page, and then here let's Ctrl V to paste it all. Okay, so let's change the text here. So keep soil alive, yes, and protect soil biodiversity. Okay, so we could adjust this one. So let's adjust it like that. Okay, something like so. Okay, let's also adjust this one. Like that. This one too goes here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is select all three of these and group it, go to position and center. All right, so this one, black one, the white one and the text, and go to group and position it in the center. Change the video here, just delete it, and let's see, what are we going to do? Let's use this one. Let's do that. Use that one, select it, make it 5 seconds long. All right, done. Okay, once again I'll copy this, Ctrl C, add a new page here, click on the frame, Ctrl V to paste it, And let's bring the new text here, nourish the soil. Okay, so for that we just need one line of text, so let's delete these, right? Okay, so let's click on that, Ctrl V to paste it. That fits in perfectly there. So let's then maybe select all of those and move it down, and maybe even scale it up just so that it makes more sense for the composition purposes. Okay, let's delete this video, and in that place let's use this one, right? So let's make that 5 seconds long. Let me first set it there, and let's have it set to 5 seconds, right? So that makes sense. So now copy this, Ctrl C, add new page, here Ctrl V to paste it. Let's bring in the last line of text as well and reap the benefit. So let's set that text like so. Let's set that to say 60. I'll select that, ungroup it, and then I'm gonna adjust the text like so. Yep, and reap the benefit. Alright, so that is set. Let's change the video, delete it, and use this video, drag it there, and then set it to 5 seconds in length. Done. Add a new page, let's bring in the logo. So let's change the color to white here. Alright, let's go to uploads, images, let's bring in the logo, press Alt to scale it uniformly, move it up, and now let's bring in a text for the URL. Let's drag that down like so. Change it to Alice, and let's set the text size to 35 and use whatever is your URL, logo.com. Okay, so that's how it is. Now to make this a proper video, we'll have to do some animation to it. So we'll first click on this one and then use rice first. Yep, that should be good. Then click on this, let's use pan, and here let's maybe look at breathe. How does that come? That's fine, I think. So let's use something else here. Let's use tumble. It's probably going to be a little too much. And no, I don't think so. Let's use the pan. That's enough. It looks more professional this way. So, and for this one, let's use the rice. That's what I like. Okay. So if I play it now, you can see that we have a very good looking video now. See? And in case you want to make some differences for the frames, what you can do is, let's select this one in the second and the third. We can delete that and maybe go to elements and go to animated blobs. It's already selected here. Let's go in there and see what can we get other than what we already had. Okay, so let's go up itself, and there maybe we can find something like this and try and use that. Okay, let's do that, and like so, use the rotate tool to like so, and let's push it backward so that it goes below the text, right? And the line will come here, so we'll have to adjust it. Yes, I think that's looking good. So I'll just Control C to copy that, and then go to the fourth one, delete this one, and here we'll paste it. Okay, and make sure that it is back. Let's have a look further back. Yeah, it's proper now. Okay, so that is something that you can do just to bring in some kind of changes to the different slides. Okay, and if you want to add some audio, you can always add audio from here or upload your own audio for the file. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. If you like to see more content like this, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and ask anything you want to ask in the comment section, because this is a very powerful tool right now. Even though it is free, it helps us post regularly on our social media for free and create some really amazing videos, because in today's time it is so important to post videos on your social feed, because videos convert better than photos. So a tool like Canva is incredible for something like that. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.